Hi everyone, here we've got Motorola Edge, and let me show you how to enable the talkback mode. So first of all, let's get into the settings, then scroll and find accessibility, and here let's choose the talkback. To turn it on, simply click on the switcher next to use service, and if you want to allow talkback to have full control of your device and you have to allow it in order to use the talkback, simply click on allow. As you can hear, now we've got the talkback on, and let me show you how to navigate in this mode. First of all, if you want to choose something, for example this back button, you have to tap on it once. You will see a green frame, and then double tap in order to get back and use it actually. And this menu is good to show you how to swipe, and you've got two options to choose from. Let me show, in my opinion, the easier one. You can swipe by using two fingers, and it is working normally. What's more, you can also use two fingers, but one finger has to go up and the second finger just go down. Let me show it. Or another way, but as I said, it is much harder than the first option. So that's all. This is actually how you navigate in the talkback mode. Now let me show you how to turn it off. Simply select the talkback, double tap, click on use service, double tap on it, and now your device will ask you if you really want to stop the talkback. If you want, then click on stop and double tap. And from now on, you just turned off the talkback mode. So that's all. This is how you enable talkback mode in your Motorola Edge. Thank you so much for watching. If you find that this video was helpful, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.